What's up everyone, John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here, and I want to give you a demonstration of the full Flash-capable HTML browser found on the HTC Hero running Android. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock the device, and if you're curious about this unlock screen, stay tuned to the channel for a full UI overview, and I'll show you how all this works. So go ahead and unlock, slide that down. Now here I am on my YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/John4Lakers, and I'll show you load speed in just a minute, but I want to give you a demonstration of how the browser works. This is probably going to be very familiar to most of you. You can pan around with your finger. Let's say you want to read some of that small text. You can just double tap, and it zooms it and actually rescales itself, which is quite nice. And if you want to zoom in even further, take advantage of the multi-touch capabilities. Zoom in and zoom out. It actually is a pretty nice and relatively fluid implementation. And if you want to zoom out some more, you can double tap, and you zoom out to where you are, and you can keep zooming on out. So gone is that little magnifying glass, in is multi-touch, which is actually quite nice and a really good implementation. So this also has Flash capabilities, meaning that you should be able to play things right from the browser, although as you can see here, my YouTube video should be playing, and it's not quite working. I found the Flash on this to be sort of gimmicky and not quite fully functional. It sometimes works and sometimes doesn't, and as you can see right here on this YouTube page, it's clearly not working. So let me show you load speeds, and I should mention that I am just on Wi-Fi. This does not come with US 3G. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll be doing some head-to-head comparisons with other phones showing load speeds on Wi-Fi and even on Edge. So I'm going to go ahead and load up another website here. Alright, so I've got Pocket Now all ready to go, and this has never been loaded on this device before. I'm going to go ahead and hit the big green Go button. And it is off using just Wi-Fi. Although being stuck now with Edge speeds, I forgot how slow and pokey Edge was. I'm so happy to have 3G in my area. Unfortunately, that did not make its way onto this device, but at least it does have Wi-Fi. So it's off, PocketNow.com is loading, and got that sort of green bar across the bottom. The content is showing up. And again, I'll do a full head-to-head comparison with other devices, primarily the iPhone, so that you guys can see how this works. If you're in the UK or a country where this is released and will support 3G, you know, the iPhone and sort of similar devices are probably going to be what you're going to be comparing. So it's almost loaded, still taking a little bit of time. And there we go, it's all done. And like we did on the YouTube channel, you can pan around, zoom in or zoom out. And I should also mention that this has a built-in accelerometer, meaning that as you rotate the screen, it'll rotate accordingly for you. So let me show you what that looks like here, and you can see the speed of it. The screen sort of goes a little bit gray, and then it rotates. A little bit gray and rotates. The speed's not too bad, although the speed is mostly a software thing. Rotation's not too shabby on it. And you can continue to navigate in landscape mode as you could in other modes as well. You can do this whole pinch and zoom that I just showed you. So on this channel, for example, there's a YouTube video, and this time it says play, whereas on the last time it didn't. So let me show you what this looks like when it plays or doesn't play in most cases. So we're going to go and hit the play button right in the middle. And curiously enough, it's an HTC Hero video that PocketNow.com has. Loading up. So it doesn't actually play within the browser, it just opens it up, which is kind of curious. So there we go, it's playing. And again, I'll do a demonstration on the video capabilities of this as well. But you can see that it doesn't actually play within the window like you would expect and like you would find on a typical desktop experience. It does open up another browser like you will find on other devices. So guys, just a real quick browser overview of the HTC Hero. I hope you enjoyed. For more on the device, be sure to stick around to the channel, youtube.com/John4Lakers. We're going to be having a Hero coverage blowout in the coming days, so definitely stay tuned. For exclusive content, including giveaways and sneak peeks at new videos, be sure to give me a follow at twitter.com/John4Lakers. And to learn more about Techno Buffalo, make sure you check out technobuffalo.com. And all those links will be up in the sidebar. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.